What sets us apart from our competitors is that we are a software development and data research firm. We do not sell directly to small business consumers. This means we are never in competition with our private label software clients. It also means that our focus is on constantly improving the features of our private label software and the quality of its data. Our branding does not appear anywhere in your private label. Not in the software, not in the turnkey website, not in the marketing materials or videos, and not to your staff or clients. Our focus is on your success and the pushing of your brand, not ours. Congratulations on finding us, as that can be hard to do. This is by design so that we are not out there on your social media platforms, not on your marketing keywords, and not on public forums. We want to be in the background to be able to serve you better by focusing on software development and research. Let's start with the public side of your private label. This includes a full turnkey website. The site will exist on a subdomain using either the word member or bankable, along with any domain name you own and wish to use. The turnkey public side website has many different layout options and color themes that you control. You can also control your logo, social media links, and contact information. Your private label comes with over 15 landing pages, more than 30 videos, 5 unbranded ebooks, drip marketing emails, email templates, call scripts, elevator pitches, closing statements, industry stats, and more. You also receive the details on 10 marketing programs to help drive traffic to your private label. Inside your private label are professional service providers for client calls, document collection, funding advisors, and becoming bankable coaches, all that are available to operate under your brand. Combining those with your private label software can give you a complete A to Z white label service for your clients. The main feature of the private label software is the pre-qualification success scan. This scans roughly 150 data points on any business you attract to it. This is an excellent lead generation tool as you can run thousands of success scans a month and never pay more than your subscription fee. Pre-qualification success scans are therefore basically free for both you and your prospective clients. Each success scan includes multiple API data feeds that will return data on a business, which includes their lender compliance item status, their current business credit status, their pre-qualification for more than 20 different funding programs, their web rating score, which looks at their social media, SEO, star ratings, reputation management, backlinks, mobile friendliness, and site errors. It also includes their current NAP validation, which is their name, address, and phone listings on the top 20 business directories, such as the Better Business Bureau, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Chamber of Commerce, Yahoo, Foursquare, Merchant Circle, Yellow Pages, and more. The summary of the scan results is sent via email to your prospects. At the time of the scan, each prospect is given a user ID, password, and login link to your business success system to view their detailed results. You are notified via email of each completed scan and can then access your prospect's results by using your system admin login. When your prospects log in, their dashboard displays their current status for each of your success system sections, showing them clearly their completion progress. Their dashboard first shows them how many funding programs they have pre-qualified for, how many they've applied for, the number that are in document collection, and the number of direct lender offers they have received. There is a virtual coach on each page letting your clients know exactly what to do, why they are doing it, and how to complete the task on that page. There are over 90 of these virtual coach videos, with each being about 30 seconds to a minute and a half long. In your admin area, there are 2 virtual coaches to select from. Your client's progress in your success system is tracked with red X's and green checks, making it very easy for your clients to visualize which items they need to address and which items they have completed. The system attempts to mirror the underwriting approval of the AI algorithms that lenders' computers use to determine if your clients are at a high or low risk of default. We do this by connecting to multiple API data providers to gather scan data on your prospects and clients. Lenders' computer algorithms look backwards at data on what businesses have already defaulted on. They use data from those previous defaults and apply it to your clients. For example, the data will show that small businesses operating from a residence or mail stop have defaulted on loans at a rate 10 to 20 times higher than those operating from a business location. Businesses using free email extensions, such as joesplumbing@gmail.com, have historically defaulted at a rate 10 to 20 times higher than do businesses with email accounts, such as joe@joesplumbing.com. The same is true of businesses using solely a cell phone as their primary business contact number versus those businesses using an FCC-registered business phone number. To understand why lender compliance is important to business lenders, you must first know that lenders bundle and sell their loan portfolios to Wall Street investors. How much they receive for those bundles is based on a discount rate. The lower the portfolio risk, the better the discount rate. Therefore, the more money they make. There are a series of about 20 lender compliance items that need to be completed. Your private label business success system will assist your clients in knowing how to complete all items of lender compliance. Your private label system has 3 goals. The first goal is to assist your clients in receiving as much funding as possible. The initial funding is almost always going to be from non-bankable funding programs. These are also called alternative business financing. These are funding programs such as credit cards, vendor lines of credit, factoring, revenue-based loans, merchant account advances, asset-based loans, and many others. The downside of non-bankable funding programs is they tend to be high interest, short repayment periods, and smaller amounts. The funding program area features green pluses for the programs that your clients have pre-qualified for, and red minuses for those programs they currently don't pre-qualify for. When your clients apply for a pre-qualified funding program, that application comes to you and opens a file in the automated document collection system. As a private label, you have the option to have our fully automated system create the application, complete the document collection, and present the application along with all required documents to a pool of direct lenders in our automated direct lender portal. The system includes a concierge call team, document processors, funding advisors, and our direct lender offer portal. All of these support features are done under your private label banner. You also have the option to opt out of funding program services and elect to package and place these loans yourself. Inside your admin area as a private label, you are provided with the database of 200 direct lenders, 10 lenders for each of the 20 funding programs. This provides you the ability to create relationships with lenders for each funding program and earn direct paid commissions. As a private label, you will also have access to a cash-type credit card database from 30 credit card providers with what their credit card offerings are and what the approval criteria range is on each card. This can allow you to assist your business clients with cash-type credit card approvals. Goal number 2 is assisting your clients to become bankable. Think of becoming bankable as having 4 legs to a table. The first leg is completing lender compliance. The second is developing a bank rating of at least a low 5. The third is creating comparable credit. And the fourth is having strong business credit scores with all 4 business credit reporting agencies, which includes having a business FICO score of 155 or above. Becoming bankable is a 4 to 6 month process and typically cannot be done in less time. 4 months if your clients participate well, and longer if they procrastinate on getting some tasks completed. The process of becoming bankable starts with making sure your clients have completed all items of lender compliance. These items can be done quickly and are relatively simple things, such as making sure they have an entity, having the entity be in good standing, checking to make sure their entity name has not created a trademark infringement, verifying the entity filings are up to date, clearing their UCC filings, and making sure the NAICS and the SIC classification are correct, and a host of other small items. In the credit reporting section, your system will walk your clients through how to optimize their business credit and personal credit the way business lenders want to see it. For example, in the personal credit of the owners, business lenders are concerned with revolving account history, as this closely reflects how their business credit will be managed. Business lenders are mostly looking at revolving accounts and want to see no more than a 45% balance to limit, no more than 3 inquiries in the last 90 days, and no more than 5 newly opened revolving accounts in the last 24 months, along with few other critical items. In the business credit building section, your clients will have access to over 200 credit providers that report business credit histories. These are broken down into 2 groups: vendors that are extending net payment terms and credit card providers that are offering revolving payment terms. Both sections are further broken down into service industry verticals. Your clients are shown the approval criteria of each, to what bureaus they report, what their products or services are, and where to apply. In the business credit card section, your clients are made aware that there are 5 main underwriting organizations in the United States that are doing approvals for most credit cards. This is vital because applying for multiple cards on the same day with the same underwriter will result in you being declined, where getting approved for one card with that one underwriter can lead to multiple future approvals. Lenders are constantly looking for ways to expand their underwriting algorithms to show investors they are taking steps to lower risks of default. This is where both the web rating score and NAP validation enter the equation. Your business web rating score is developed from all the business's online data such as social media engagement, SEO status, star ratings, Better Business Bureau rating, reputation management, and more. Scoring below a 60 can get your clients declined. The third goal of your private label system is to take your now bankable clients back out for bankable fundings. These funding programs tend to be much larger loans at substantially lower interest rates with much larger repayment terms. These are programs such as large term loans, lines of credit, SBA loans, and many others. Now let's look at your admin area and its extensive features. First is the Manage Account section. Here you can set up as many staff members, agents, and affiliates as you want. Affiliates or referral partners can have their own landing pages along with their own admin area login to be able to view their prospects' progress within your system. On the theme page, you can control your layouts, colors, social media links, and virtual coach selections. The private label settings page controls your system's pricing, payment processing, notifications, and funding program opt-in or opt-out services. There is an API section for connecting your private label to popular CRMs, third-party marketing platforms, lead dialers, email campaigns, and easily transferring your completed success scan data. You control which lenders service your clients and that pay you. Throughout the system are revenue earning vendors that will assist your clients in completing each lender compliance item. Your private label includes a database of these vendors so that you have the ability to sign up with them as an affiliate, reseller, or white label partner to earn the revenue from your client employing their services. There is a self-management tool where you can establish a relationship with these vendors and control which service vendors you want displayed. The Manage Members section gives you access to all your Success Scan data to easily sort those that are pre-qualified for one or more funding programs. The Member Coaching CRM lets you see everything that your client has done, all their answers, all their sections, all of their pre-qualifications, along with all of the support team notes. This area helps you coach a client through your system and package their required loan document collection if you elect to do so. There is a credit card funding estimator that allows you to quickly analyze a client's personal credit and to be able to show them what items should be addressed before applying for business loans or credit cards. It also provides you with a potential approval amount range from credit card funding. Inside your admin area are sections for training on all aspects of the system and this industry. There are virtual coaches, videos, and ebooks to educate and guide you. On each of the system's tool pages, you will see an instructional video button walking you through using that specific tool. In the marketing section are hands-on strategies for driving traffic to your private label that include references to third-party vendors that will help you implement those strategies. There is a database of white label providers that can allow your company to be the vendor service provider for each of the client tasks identified in your system. The finance section teaches you all about the available funding programs, what it takes to pre-qualify for each, how to best position your clients, and who some direct lenders are for each funding program. The funding section lets you quickly see all of your prospects and clients that have pre-qualified for specific funding programs, and the ones they have already submitted applications on. This has an automated document collection system showing you what is required for each funding program and which of your clients have submitted to the direct lender offer portal. Our private label system is the most comprehensive out there. Being a software development and data research firm means that we are constantly working to add more features to your system, to stay up with current lender AI underwriting, and to make it available to you without any additional development costs, with it all included in your Success System subscription. We look forward to serving you as our private label client.